Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 3.1 algebra remaining sums. Third one. Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. This is the first condition. 1/2 of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4 of Vani's age is 65. This is second condition. If 4 years ago, Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? This is the third one. So first we will take, let the age of Vani X and father's age Y and grandfather's age Z. So what is the first condition? Vani, her father and her grandfather. Average means sum. Sum by 2, that number of counts. That is X plus Y plus Z by 3 equal to 53. So cross multiply. 3 into 3, 9. 3 5s are 15. That is 159. This is the first condition. Second one. 1/2 of her grandfather. Grandfather Z. So 1/2 means half Z plus 1/3 of her father's age. 1/3 means 1 by 3 into Y. Plus 1/4 of Vani. 1 by 4 into X equal to 65. So take LCM of 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 is 2. 3 not divide. So 2 again. 2, 1, 3, 1 again. 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So LCM 12. So take it LCM 12. 12 into how many times? 6 times. So 6 into Z. 12 in 4, 3 times. So 1 into 4, 4Y plus 12 in 4, 3 times. So 3X. So 6Z plus 4Y plus 3X by 12 equal to 65. So cross multiply 12 into 65 is 780. Therefore, the second equation 3X plus 4Y plus 6Z equal to 780. Our third condition is, if 4 years ago Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani. Vani's grandfather, that is Z. 4 years ago means minus 4. Z minus 4 equal to 4 times 4 into oldest Vani. Vani's 4 years ago's age. That is X minus 4. 4 into X minus 4. Multiply 4 into X. 4X minus 4 into 4, 16. 4X minus 16. Take the variables to the left hand side. So plus 4X will come to minus 4X plus CZ equal to minus 16. That minus 4 will go to the right hand side, means plus 4. So minus 4X plus Z equal to minus 12. So throughout the equation multiply by minus 1. So minus 4x into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 4x. Plus z into minus 1. Plus into minus minus. That is minus z. Minus 12 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So plus 12. 4x minus z equal to 12 is third equation. Next, first equation multiply by 4. What is our first equation? X plus y plus z equal to 159. So 4 into x, 4x, 4 into y, 4y, 4 into z, 4z equal to 159 into 4. So 4 9s are 36, 3 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3 23, 2, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 36. Next write second equation. 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 780. So here you subtract. Subtract means we have to change the second equation sign. So plus 3x minus plus 4y minus 4y, that is plus is 6z minus 6z, plus 780 goes to minus. So next 4x minus 3x x, 4y minus 4y, that is 0, cancel. 4y minus 6z, 1 plus 1 minus, that means subtract and put the greater number sign. 6z, 6 minus 4, 2. Greater number here minus 6, therefore minus 2z. And 636 minus 780. Here also subtract and put the greater number sign. So 780 minus 636, 144. So minus 780, therefore minus 144. So x minus 2z equal to minus 144. This is our fourth equation. Next, third equation into 2. Our third equation is 4x minus z equal to 12. So 4 into 2, 8x, minus z into 2, minus 2z, 12 into 2, 24. This is our fifth equation. So next write fourth equation and subtract. So here plus x means minus, minus 2z plus, minus 144 here plus. So 8x minus x, 7x. Minus 2z plus 2z, that will cancel 0, and 24 plus 144, that is 168. So 7x equal to 168 means x equal to 168 by 7. Cancel, 2 7s are 14, 4 7s are 28. Therefore x equal to 24. So substitute x equal to 24 in third equation. Third equation 4x minus z equal to 12. So 4 into 24. 4 into 24, 96. 96 minus z equal to 12. Therefore z minus z equal to 12 minus 96. Next step. So minus z equal to minus 84. That means both side minus, so we cancel, z equal to 84. So substitute in first equation. Substitute in first equation x plus y plus z equal to 159. So x value 24 plus y plus z value is 84 equal to 159. So y equal to 24 plus 84, that is 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, 159 minus 108. So y equal to 51. Therefore one is present age 24 years, father's present age 51 years, grandfather's age 84, because this is x here, this is y and z. Fourth sum. The sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 11. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 46 more than 5 times the old number. If the hundreds digit plus twice the tens digit is equal to that unit digit, then find the original 3-digit number. First we will take, let x be the hundreds digit and y tens digit and z is the unit digit. So first that required number is 100, 3-digit number we need. So 100 into x plus 10 into y plus z. So, and already they asked the reversed, the digits are reversed means we have to change the variable reversed, that is 100z plus 10y plus x. Next, the sum of the digit of a 3-digit number is 11. So, the sum of the digits, so x plus y plus z equal to 11. That is our first equation. Next one. If the digits are reversed, reversed means we have to write 100z plus 10y plus x equal to 46 more than means plus 46. 5 times the old number. 5 times means multiply. So 5 into our old required number 100x plus 10y plus z. Therefore we write 5 into 100x plus 10y plus z plus more than 46 plus 46. Our equation is 100z plus 10y plus x equal to 5 into bracket of 100x plus 10y plus z closing bracket plus 46. First we multiply this 5 into 100, 500 x, 5 into 10y, 50y plus 5 into z, 5z plus 46. We take the variables into the left hand side. First we will write x. So plus 500 come to the left hand side, it is minus 500x plus 10y minus 15y, 50y plus 100z minus 5z equal to 46. Simplify. X minus 500 means 1 plus 1, that is 1x coefficient. 1 plus 1 minus means subtract. 500 minus 1 for 499. Greater number here minus, so minus 499x. The same rule, minus 40y. 100 minus 5z plus 95z equal to 46. Throughout the equation we multiply into minus 1. We get it minus into minus plus 499x minus 40y into minus 1, that is plus 40y plus plus into minus 1 minus, that is minus 95z plus 46 into minus 1 minus 46. That is our second equation. Our third condition is if the hundreds digit plus twice the tens digit, that means hundreds digit is we take it x, twice the tens means 2y is equal to our unit digit is z. So that implies we will write x plus 2y minus z equal to 0. That is our third equation. Next, we have to compare two equations and eliminate one variable. That's why we multiply first equation into 95. Why we are multiplying with 95 means that the second equation has 95z. That's why we multiply into 95 in first equation. Our first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 11. Therefore, 95 into x, 95x plus 95y plus 95z equal to 95 into 11, 1045. And next, you write our second equation. So, add these two equations. 95, this is not 95 plus 499, that is 594x, 95 plus 40y, 135y, plus 95z minus 95z, it will cancel 0. 1045 minus 46, that is 999. Next, we reduce the lowest term. So we divide by 9. 594 divided by 9, that is 6 9s are 54. 54 again, 6 9s are 54, that is 66x. And 135 divided by 9, 1 9 is 9, 45, 5 9s are 45, 15y. 9 9 9 divided by 9, that is 1 1 1. Again we reduce the lowest term, divided by 3, 66 divided by 3, 22x, 15y divided by 3, 5y, 111 divided by 3, that is 37. This is our fourth equation. Next, we take first equation x plus y plus z equal to 11, and our third equation x plus 2y minus z equal to 0. Here also we are adding x plus x 2x, y plus 2y 3y, because y coefficient 1 and x coefficient also 1. Plus z minus z will cancel 0. 11 minus 0, 11. This is our fifth equation. Next, you take a second equation and x plus 2x, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 11, our fifth equation, into 11. That means 2x plus 3y. So 2 into 11, 22x, 3 into 11, 13y equal to here 11. So 11 into 11, 121. Again, you subtract this equation. Subtract. Subtract means you change the sign. Here minus, here minus, here also minus. So 22x minus 22x will cancel 0. 5y minus 33y, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract and put the greater number sign. 33 minus 5, 28, greater number. Here plus, minus, minus. So minus 28y. 37 minus 121 equal to minus 84. So minus 28y equal to minus 84. So minus minus will cancel. Y equal to 84 by 28. 7 table, 4 7s are 28. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. Therefore, y equal to 3. So we get y equal to 3. Substitute in this equation 2x plus 3y equal to, this is equal to 11. So 2x, 3 into 3, 9, 2x plus 9 equal to 11, plus 9 will go to the right hand side, 11 minus 9, 2, 2x equal to 2 means x equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. X equal to 1, substitute in this equation x plus y plus z equal to 11. Our x is 1, y is 3. So 1 plus 3 plus z equal to 11, 4 plus z equal to 11. Therefore z equal to 11 minus 4, that is 7. Therefore our 3-digit number is 100 into x plus 10y plus z. 100, x value 1, y value 3, z value 7. So 100 into 1, 100 plus 10 into 3, 30 plus 7. 137 is the required number, and our reversed digit number is 731. Our fifth sum. There are 12 pieces of 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies whose total value is 105. But when first two sorts are interchanged in their numbers, its value will be increased by rupees 20. Find the number of currencies in each sort. First let x be the number of 5 rupees and y 10 rupees and z 20 rupees. Our first condition, there are 12 pieces. Therefore, first we will write x plus y plus z equal to 12. That is our first equation. Next one, 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies total value is 105. Therefore, 5 rupee 5 currencies. So 5 into x 5x, 10 into 10 rupee currencies 10y, plus 20 into 20 rupee currencies 20 into z 20z equal to 105. This is our second equation. Third one, but when first two sorts, that means x and y, are interchanged in their numbers, its value will be increased by 20. So interchange means here 10 into x plus 5 into y, that is interchange. So z as it is plus 20 z and increase the value plus 20. So 105 plus 20, 125. This is our third equation. Next, compare the two equations and eliminate one variable. So first equation into 5. So our first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 12. Therefore 5 into x 5x plus 5y plus 5z, 12 into 5 60. So our second equation, 5x plus 10y plus 20z equal to 105. So subtract these two equations. So change the sign here. 5x minus 5x cancel 0. 5y minus 10y, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract and put to the greater number, that is minus 5y. 5z minus 20z, as usual, minus 15z. 60 minus 105, minus 45. So our equation is minus 5y minus 15z equal to minus 45. Throughout the equation, we divide by minus 5. So minus 5 by minus 5 plus y. Minus 15 by minus 5 plus 3z. Minus 45 by minus 5 plus 9. So that is y plus 3z equal to 9. That is our fourth equation. Next we compare two equation and eliminate one variable. So we take second equation into multiply into 2. Our second equation is 5x plus 10y plus 20z equal to 105. So 5 into 2 10x, 10 into 2 20y, 20 into 2 40z equal to 105 into 2 210. This is our third equation. That implies 10x plus 5y plus 20z equal to 125. This is our third equation. So next we subtract. So change the sign. 10x minus 10x will cancel. 20 minus 5y 15y. 40 minus 20z 20z. 210 minus 125 85. So divide by 5, we get it. 15 by 5 3y. 20 by 5 4z. 85 by 5 70. So 3y plus 4z equal to 70. This is our fifth equation. So next we will eliminate one variable. Therefore we take fourth equation into 3. Our fourth equation is y plus 3z equal to 9. So 3 into y 3y, 3 into 3 9z, 9 into 3 27. Our fifth equation is three y plus 4z equal to 70. So subtract these two equations. So change the sign. 3y minus 3y will cancel. 9z minus 4z 5z. 27 minus 17 equal to 10. Therefore z equal to 10 by 5 2. So we substitute in this equation y plus 3z equal to 9. So 3 is 3 into 2, that is y plus 6 equal to 9, y equal to 9 minus 6 3. Next x plus y plus z equal to 12. We substitute that equation. So x plus y is 3 and z is 2 equal to 12. So x plus 5 equal to 12, that is x equal to 12 minus 5 7. Therefore number of 5 rupees notes, that is x 7, 10 rupees notes y, that is 3, and number of 20 rupee notes z equal to 2. Thank you students. We will see in the next class.